Why should you visit Galway Bay? Imagine standing on a seaside promenade, feeling the cool breeze and watching the sun rise over shimmering waters. That's just a taste of what Galway Bay offers. Located on Ireland's west coast, Galway Bay is a stunning spot where land meets the Atlantic Ocean. It stretches across counties Galway and Clare, showcasing some of Ireland's most beautiful coastlines. The bay is famous for its peaceful beaches, gentle rolling hills, and dramatic ocean views that change with every tide. One of the main attractions here is the maritime history that runs deep in the area. You can see traditional Galway Hooker boats, which are distinctive sailing vessels with black hulls and dark red sails. These boats are a symbol of Galway's seafaring past and are celebrated during the annual Crinú na Mabod festival. Visitors often enjoy sailing trips on these boats or on modern vessels, giving a real feel for the bay's lively maritime culture. Many boat tours take you to the nearby Aran Islands, which sit at the mouth of the bay. These islands are rich in history, with ancient stone forts like Dun Angus and the Irish language still spoken daily. Fishing is another popular activity in Galway Bay. Anglers can catch species like pollock, cod, and mackerel, which often lead to fresh seafood meals in local restaurants. The bay's waters are teeming with life, making it a favorite for both fishing and seafood lovers. Watching the sunrise or sunset from the Salthill Promenade is a must-do. This 3-kilometer seaside walkway offers panoramic views of the bay and the Atlantic Ocean. Along the promenade, you'll find the Blackrock Diving Tower, a well-known local landmark that adds to the scenic charm. Galway City itself adds a lively cultural vibe to the area. The city is full of colorful streets, lively music, and festivals throughout the year. Historic sites like the Spanish Arch and Galway Cathedral give a glimpse into the city's past, while the bustling shops and cafes keep the atmosphere vibrant. Historically, Galway Bay was also a hub for boat building, especially for the Galway Hooker fleet, which played a key role in trade and transport during the 19th century. Visiting Galway Bay means experiencing a perfect mix of natural beauty, history, and lively city life. It's a place where you can relax on quiet beaches, explore historic sites, and enjoy outdoor adventures. Whether you want to sail, fish, or simply soak in the stunning views, Galway Bay offers something for everyone. It's a true Irish coastal treasure that invites you to enjoy its scenic charm and rich cultural heritage.